Okay, 5.2 student notes. This is going to be really short because we're just doing this calculator practice again. So, but we are going to use the correlation coefficient. So the first thing you want to do, and I'm going to go back and forth between this and the calculator that I have on the screen, but I'll try not to make that take me a long time. So I'll stop talking. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is find out why my little tool's not working. Okay, first, there we go. We're going to do this correlation coefficient. So I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to do second and 0, which is catalog. Okay, and I'm going to get my catalog like this. I'm going to go down to diagnostics, and I'm going to turn it on. It's going to take you not as long as it's taking me. All the way down to D. I'm going to poke a hole in my, there we go. Oh, it stops. Wait, come back. Okay, diagnostic on. So click on diagnostic on. Oh, where's my thing? Keep wanting to do touch screen on this calculator, didn't work. Okay, diagnostic on, hit enter. It should say diagnostic on your screen. You hit enter again, and it says done. When it says done, you're done. So when I go to stat, calc, number 4, LNREG, okay, it's going to give me the R value also. The R is the correlation coefficient. So back to, well, let me go ahead and do this. Okay, so for number 1, I'm going to go to my stat edit. Remember how to clear that out. I go up to the top and I hit clear, enter. I go over this way to the top and I hit clear, enter. So I'm going to put in 5, 10, and 15 for my X values for number 1, and I'm going to put in -7, -10. Nope, whoop, whoop, whoop. That was not right. -10 and -13. Okay, stat, calc, 4. Oops, one too many. Enter. Enter through here. Go to store, vars, yvars, enter, enter. So there's my y1. Hit enter again to go to calculate, calculate. So notice when my diagnostics show up, I have an R squared and an R value. So my equation, back on my paper, is y equals -0.6x minus 4, and my R value was -1. We're not going to use R squared, only the R value. If you do the same thing, if you do the same thing for number 2 and put that data in your calculator, I'm going to assume you can do it now, you're going to end up with y equals 2x plus 10, and your R value is going to be 1. So here's what I want you to notice. When your R value is negative, it's because your slope is negative. So slope negative, R value is negative. When your slope is positive, your R value is positive. Okay, So go back up to the top of your paper and let's write a couple of things down just so you remember. Your R values go from -1 to +1. The closer to 1 you are, or -1, it's the better fit. If R is equal to 1 or -1, it's a perfect fit. And we consider it a strong correlation if R is bigger than 0.8. So R greater than or equal to 0.8 is a strong correlation, either positive or negative. So R, I guess, less than or equal to -0.8 is a strong negative correlation. If R equals 0, no correlation. Okay, that's the important stuff to remember. Okay, so because we had R's that were -1 and +1, that means that our 3 points were on a straight line, exactly on a line. So the line was a perfect fit for the data. And if it's a positive slope, makes sense. The line is increasing, so there's a positive correlation, right? Your dots go like this. If your slope is, oops, that's the wrong one, this one. If your slope is negative, then you have a negative correlation and your dots are going to go down this way. So that makes sense. Okay. I am going to let you do this on your calculator because if I don't put them on my calculator, it'll go way faster. So you're going to have to put this on your calculator. Try it out. Remember, this is your X and this is your Y. Almost always your X is on top and your Y is on the bottom. Or if you're this way, your X is on the left and your Y is on the right. So once you put this in your calculator and do your stat calc, the equation is Y equals 0.51X minus 26.79. The correlation coefficient was R equals 0.99. Describe it, that means it's a very strong positive correlation. And you should probably always have strong or weak, and positive or negative are the two words I'm going to be looking for. So the dosage for a person weighing 240 pounds is going to be X equals 240. So Y is equal to 0.51X minus 26.79. And Y equals somewhere around 95.12. Oops, 0.12 milligrams. Okay, I think I'm going to do another one of these with you because that may have been all I wrote down. Woohoo, that means I get to do the rest with you. Okay. Fast. Later. All right, stat, edit, up, clear, enter. Okay, latitude is X, so I'm going to put in 35, maybe, 33, 30, 25, 43, 40, 39. And my L2s are going to be 46, 52. This takes a long time, doesn't it? I should have some music. 76. I'd sing for you, but that'd just make y'all cry. Uh-oh. Nope, that's right.
Hold 1 second.
Okay, now go to, I'll do it in a minute. Thanks.
I'll put it back in. Thank you, Greg.
You're welcome. Yep. Okay, that's your little interlude when someone comes back to return something to me. Woohoo! Okay. Stat, calc, for, enter, 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 vars, y vars, enter, 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 enter. My equation is y equals negative 2.49 x plus 137.62. R is 0.98, which is, it's negative. Negative strong. And if y equals 20, then we have wow, this is going to take me a long time. Okay, so let's go back to our quit. So I have 20 minus 137.62 equals divided by negative 2.49. Enter. Okay, so the latitude is approximately 47 degrees north. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and do, I guess there's only two more. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. There's only two more. Maybe I could do this before the bell rings. Yeah, probably not, but we'll see. 3, 13, 31. I don't want to know the answer to this one, I'm pretty sure. Except I have to eat garden salads. Because I do not want to eat all that fat. So if it's not fat in the calories, what is it? Sugar. Go garden salad. Or grilled chicken salad. Hash browns just because they're small. Sheesh. Stat. Calc. 4. Enter, enter, enter. Vars, y vars, enter, 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 enter. Y equals 14.41 x plus 97.07. Okay, so if it's got 10 grams of fat, that's x. X equals 10. So that means we have 14.41 times 10, which I could have done, plus 97.07, and that would give us calories 241. Happy Meal has 490, so now we have y equals 490. So I'm going to do 490 minus 97.07 divided by 14.41, and a Happy Meal has about 27 grams of fat. Okay, and I'll show you my worksheet here in a minute, and you can make sure your answers are right. Stat. Enter. Clear. All right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. That's what I get for trying to go fast. Next time I do this, I'll play music. So, what's new? How's your dog? Hope Thanksgiving was good. If something happened to your dog, I'm sorry. Just making conversation. All right. Y equals 3.90x plus 26.68. So on the 12th month, we're going to have 3.9 times 12 plus 26.68. 3.9 times 12 plus $73.48. All right, so I'm going to fill this in really fast over here. Are we on number 5? We did number 4. Okay, so the equation was negative y equals negative 2.49x plus 137.62. Correlation was R equals 0.98. Oh, I forgot to write down the correlation, didn't I? No, I guess I'm fine. Okay, whatever. Okay, strong. Negative. Correlation. I know, messy handwriting. Okay, so if the temperature 20 is our y, that means that x equals 47 degrees north. Because I had 20 equals negative 2.49x plus blah, blah, blah. Okay. Number 6, y equals 14.41x plus 97.07. If x is 10, then y is 14.41 times 10 plus 97.07, which is 241 calories. And if I have 490 calories, then I'm going to subtract 97.07, and I'm going to divide by 14.41, and I'm going to end up with x equals 27 grams of fat. Yuck. All right, number 7 we put in, and I got y equals 3.90x plus 26.68. And at one share at 12, so x equals 12, which means y equals 3.9 times 12 plus 26.68. Y equals $73.48. School day's over. I should go. You should go. I hope you filled out the Google form, because if you did, you get an extra point on your test, which will be a happy thing.